This video blog discusses the implications of the relationship between Apple and Samsung in the patent war. So what's interesting between these two companies is this symbiotic relationship which exists between them, in that one depends on the other in order to sustain its competitive advantage. I'll start with Apple's side. With Apple relies on Samsung's flash memory microchips in order to have the device that it has. And having Samsung as one of its key suppliers is really dangerous, in that Apple's currently suing Samsung for violation of its patents, but at the same time expects their relationship, their buyer and seller relationship, to remain, the same, and having their supply chain cut off in regards to that chip could potentially pose to be a danger to Apple. Despite that, Apple went ahead with the litigation cases, and Samsung still manages to supply Apple with its chips, partly because it's such a large account for its business. On the other hand, the way that Samsung has benefited from Apple is that Apple has essentially created and carved this space within the smartphone device market, and it's really been able to pioneer its way. And so when Samsung enters the market, it's able to see what's worked and see what hasn't worked, because Apple has already tested the waters for these type of products, and Samsung is able to reach success without too much of a struggle, because it's been able to see sort of the best practices that Apple's been able to show as it leads the way. And as this rivalry continues, it'll just be really interesting to see how patents play a role in terms of increasing the divide between these two companies. And patents are just so valuable in this space. So it will be exciting to see where this continues to go on.